You cooking with Peach. You cooking with Peach. You cooking with Peach. You already know you cooking with me and my husband every day with wood. We got a brand new black stone griddle. This is actually our second time using this bad boy. Now, y'all be thinking Wood be cooking all the food. When we post a picture of some food I cooked on Wood page, y'all be like, ooh, it looks so good. Now, when I post it on my page and say I cooked it, you be like, ugh, da, da, da. I know how to cook. Who y'all think taught Wood? Who taught you how to cook? Be honest. Be real with the people. Babe, you gonna sit on the internet and lie like that. Say my name again. Won't you say my name? Say my name. Would just love Peaches. It ain't no game. This is the only person that call me Peaches still. Everybody else call me Peach. But my husband still call me Peaches. It just make me like weak in my knees. You is. Who else call me Peaches? Say it again. Say my name. Say my name. Say. Well, okay, what we doing?
All right. It was a spider on the wall. I was getting the spider up.
We had to take all the little ingredients in the house because we were scared that it was going to drop on the food. We had to close the top off the Blackstone because I was terrified. After this, I really didn't want to be outside no more because I was scared that a spider was going to jump on me. I feel like we moved into nature's classroom. We got coyotes, raccoons. Oh, my God. My husband in beef with a raccoon. That raccoon going to mess you up, Wood. Peach Patch, why the raccoon had tied a bag of food. He went in our trash can, collected him some items, tied it in the bag, and tied it in the tree. Oh, my goodness. Are you okay?
He hearing us talk.
Are you scared of the raccoon?
No.
You be acting like you scared.
No.
You terrified of that raccoon. So last night, the raccoon was in the tree looking at Wood. Wood on the phone with me. He like, baby, look. He come every night. Are you going to start feeding the raccoon? You going to just be nice to him? Why you won't just feed him? That's your friend. That's your homeboy. No. So, Peach Patch, I like Wright's bacon, especially when we got a little mignon, because it be thick cut. It come out perfect every time. When I ain't got no mignon, Black Label bacon is my favorite on a budget. And if I'm real broke, we ain't eating no bacon because all that other bacon is nasty. Comment down below what's your favorite bacon. Now, Gregory McKay is recording this, and when I just went through editing this video, I said, baby, I won't never ask Gregory McKay to record for me again. Baby, he was recording all kinds of foolishness. I had to crop it out the video. Our backyard is huge. My husband did a great job finding us this home. I absolutely love it. He's putting up the bouncer. You want to say anything to the people?
No, I'm just watching.
See, I be trying not to take over his page, y'all. My husband is not really a content creator, but recently he said he gonna start back doing cooking vlogs, cleaning vlogs, etc. like he used to. Y'all can check out his YouTube channel, Everyday with Wood. I be trying to stay out the way, but hey, if my man needs some help, if he needs some motivation, y'all know I'm the one to give it to him. All right? Y'all be in the comments all mad, oh, this is his page, and I'm his wife. What's his is mine. What's mine is his. Am I being too dramatic? You want me to calm down? What you like about me? Tell everybody what you like me for.
I thought we were talking about the video.
Why we can't talk about us? Why you love me?
And hear about the business.
Why you chose me as your wife? Why you be coming home at night? I mean, it's only so much you... It's only so much you can say about bacon, baby. It's just bacon. I need to learn how to be Wood. Wood is like sick to the video. All that extra stuff, y'all don't need that. Y'all just need to see us cooking on our new Blackstone griddle. And that's it. And that's all, baby. It's bacon, eggs, pancakes, you know, coming up. Babe, how do you feel about the griddle?
It's good. I ain't even really cook on it, so I don't... You cook the both times.